Hi, sweet Stampin' friends. I'm Deborah Harrison with Simply Sweet and Ink Designs, and I am delighted to share with you a sneak peek of the projects for the May Stamp Club. One of the most awesome things about being a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator is being able to play with some of the new products. And one of the new products that's coming out in the new annual catalog for 2021-22 is a collection called Pansy Petals. And I absolutely adore this collection. My mother-in-law, actually, when she was alive, her favorite flower were pansies. And I know that she would have been just so giddy with excitement to be able to have played with this collection. So the projects for the Stamp Club are going to include 3 cards using the Pansy Patch bundle, and it also is going to have 2 little gift boxes to make. And I absolutely love this little gift box. Hopefully it will show in the camera, but this is actually a shaker box with some little trinket embellishments inside. So I thought that was really sweet and cute. And then this is a little box with a little bow around it. So you will need some items in order to make the projects. The products that you will want to have are, of course, the Pansy Patch bundle with the stamp set and the dies. Now, this bundle is not available till May 4th, so if you are interested, let me know, and then I can send you a bill on May 4th when it is actually available to order. You'll also, too, want to have 2 stamp pads, Highland Heather and Evening Evergreen. Now, Evening Evergreen is one of our new in-color ink pads, so it will not be available again also till May 4th. So you can let me know if you want to order this, add this to your order, and again, I can send you an invoice for this ink pad. You will also, too, need several adhesives. Normally, I don't need as many adhesives, but because we are doing a shaker box, it does require a little bit more. I highly recommend if you have or order the foam adhesive strips, that will really help to make that shaker box. You'll also, too, like always, want to have your Stampin' Dimensionals, glue dots, and liquid adhesive glue. Now, you can also, too, if you don't want to use the adhesive glue, you can also just use tape adhesive as well. So the cost of the Stamp Club kit is $20, or you can get it free with a minimum order of $25 or more in my online store. Now, there is a very specific host code you'll want to use to be able to get that Stamp Club for free. Now, if you would like your project kit mailed to you, there is a $5 fee to cover the cost of the postage. I have a PDF tutorial available if you prefer to cut all your own cardstock and make the projects yourself. So guys, I would love to be able to make a project kit for you. And if you have any questions, please reach out to me. Otherwise, we will talk to you later. Bye, guys.